put together your TMS goat gun, first you're gonna take your hardware kit. Should have 3 screws, a retainer pin, and a spring, along with the screwdriver. You can set the screwdriver, the magnet, and the screws aside for now. You're gonna take the spring and the retainer pin out of the package. Then you're gonna put the spring outside the retainer pin. Take these like this. It's gonna sit in there just like that. Then you're gonna take your upper, and then you're gonna insert the spring retainer pin into this hole right here. Spring first. So it's gonna sit just like that. Okay, so once you have your pin inside your receiver with the pin reaching up, you're gonna wanna take your lower and place it on top of these rails. So it's gonna lock into these rails right here. So the easiest way that I've found to do it is to kind of line it up on top of the rails, get down here to the pin, push the pin down with your finger, which allows the back end to kind of slide over it, and then you can just kind of work it in. So just like that. Once it's in those grooves, you just push it together. A little tough. And it lines up just like that. All right, and then you're gonna take your barrel, and then these are gonna line up like so. So you've got a hole there, and then you've got this rod. Line that up, slide that in. And then you've got this flange is gonna line up with that screw hole. And then of your 3 screws, one of your screws has a flat head on it, so go ahead and grab that one. And you'll take your stock, slide him up on there like so, and use your remaining 2 screws to screw him on. And you'll take your magazine and grab your dummy rounds. So you'll just take your mag, line up those rails, slide her on up. There you go.